How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. As you can see, I have another episode of Two Porn right here. Gonna do a little unboxing of the Milwaukee um, vacuum cleaner. It's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Part number is 0880-2. All right. I picked this up. As you know, I've been doing some home construction work at home, and I needed something to get the cleaning done. I'm retiring my old unit. As you can see here is an old Hoover. I had this thing, man, I think over, I'm saying 10, 15 years. Served me well, but it's not doing the job anymore. I don't need anything this big, this bulky. And unfortunately, this thing is not well sealed. All right, dust goes everywhere. Um, so it does more hurt and then good. So I decided to pick up another one again in my travels to my local Home Depot. Um, I saw this unit, Milwaukee, and I needed something to help me get the little um, messes done around my construction site, which is my den. I didn't want anything too bulky to get in the way. And what I like about this, because you know from my other video, I ended up picking up a Milwaukee set, and I got quite a few batteries, and this one's totally wireless. As you can see here, I did a little unboxing of this drywall gun, which I tell you guys I love it. It's well balanced. I love the interchangeable with the battery. Getting rid of the wire is so much easier. I definitely recommend just going wireless. No wire, don't have to worry about plugging it in. Have the battery fully charged, and this thing's ready to go. Ready to go, I must admit. So I saw this one. I said, listen, two only. I already got a bunch of batteries, and I want to put those batteries to use. So why not stay within the ecosystem of Milwaukee? And I'm glad I did. And one thing I like about this also, guys, just to let you know, other than being, of course, being cordless, which is what was appealed to me. Um, Again, it runs on the M18 red lithium high demand battery pack. Again, it's ideal for extended spots and areas of cleanup. It does a lot of good suction, and the battery, again, it's very easy to charge up. The charger, if you have a charger with it, as you know, it goes very quickly. Especially if you have multiple batteries, you will never have to worry about being without power, and that's what I like about this unit. Totally cordless. Don't have to worry about plugging it in. Just pick it up and go. Um, Again, it's a stackable two box design. It has a built-in blower port. It's have a HEPA HEPA filter included, which I like about it. So let's take a look at it. Everything on the box just appealed to me. So I said, let me take a chance. I needed something, and my wife was getting on me using a house vacuum cleaner. So I said, listen, let me just pick up something. Reason to get a new tool. So, and that's what I did. As you can see here, uh, again, it's a box, plastic. And what I'm surprised about this thing is very light, being that because it's all plastic. To tell you the truth, it's a 2 gallon capacity. Um, so I'm very surprised on how light it was, which is ideal because I didn't want anything bulky. As you can see here, has a built-in handle. We got the power button right there. Uh, Very easy to maneuver. Again, if you need something a little more heavy duty, if you're a commercial um, uh, person, maybe this not be it because you're gonna be picking up, throwing it, and might not hold up to your type of use. But if you're a home shop, uh, got a little bit of messes, you want something to clean out the car, this thing is ideal. All right, thing is ideal, and what I like about it, I can pick it up, fully charged, take it to my spot, clean it up. It has the basic tools, the vacuum out what you need to vacuum out, and is ideal. You have the holes here. The holes diameter is of like a 1 1/4 inch. Um, Plenty of length. All right, you can pick it up, take it straight to your spot, clean it up, and get it done. And which what I needed. All right, for sawdust, um, drywall dust, what have you. So again, my wife gave me a good reason to pick up a new tool, and I'm glad I got this one. Here, as you can take a closer look at it, the layout, very basic, very well thought out also. You don't have to worry about taking off the hose. It stays with the unit. So you just can close it, put your tools in, and it's always there. You don't have to worry about a separate part here or a separate part there looking for it. It's all connected. It's all inside this unit, which is ideal. The very simple design and simplicity is ideal for shop owners. We don't want to keep on looking for certain parts. Everything is right there. That's what I like about this unit. Here is for your battery. It takes the M18s, and it also works on the smaller batteries also. But the bigger batteries is ideal, so it'll give you that power, that suction power. And I'm happy with it. The only thing I really don't like about it, I can say about it, is the plastic clips. As you can see, the handles. Again, I don't think it's ideal for a heavy commercial use, but if you're small, do-it-yourselfer, and you just want something basic and small to get around the shop, I think this thing hits a home run. I like about it, it has a HEPA filter that comes with it. I recommend you get another HEPA filter, all right, because when that gets dirty, you can wash it out and still use it, but you want another filter so when that one's being cleaned or being dried out, you still have another filter to keep your machine going. All right, so you're not no downtime. You don't have to wait for that filter to dry out. So definitely pick up another filter. And again, these I'm pointing over here to these handles. This is all plastic. Again, it depends how hard you're on your tools. I'm not hard on my tools, so I suspect this to be ideal and should last. But if you're hard on your tools, you're hard on your things, you may not want this. All right, but again, and that's just how it is. All right, it is what it is. That's why I said if you're gonna buy this, find a coupon, try to get some money off of it to get it down from that $100. Is it worth $100? For me, it is. All right, it's easy to pick up. I can take it, vacuum when I have to, detach it, get rid of the dust. No fuss, no foul. And which I like. I was looking for something small. I didn't really need a big shop vac, and this fits the bill. So that's my opinion on it. So let's take a look at a little other things I saw that I like about it. And if you guys, again, looking for something small, lightweight, want to pick up those quick messes, something you can take up, use for your car, whatever, this is not a bad unit. And again, ideally, if you got a coupon, you can get it below that $99 mark. I think this is definitely a good unit to pick up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was just a quick one, unboxing, my point of view about it. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Again, this is Studio Rays, Boys in Their Toys. And if I have a reason to pick up a tool, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna profile it right here. So you guys enjoy your day. Get out there, build something, enjoy yourself, enjoy your tools, and take care of your family, guys. Have a good one. Peace out. And please like.